Hello everyone, welcome again. So today in this tutorial we will learn how to make a software to download the videos from YouTube. Yes, so we will learn how to download the videos and audio from YouTube. Okay, so first of all, in my directory here I will make a new text file. I will name it YouTube downloader. Okay, so it should be with the extension .py because we're going to use Python for that. Okay, it will ask you change the extension. Yes, we know what we are doing. Then we just open this in editor. Oh, it's open on my another screen. Okay, it is here. Okay, so this is our text editor, the Notepad++. So first of all, we're going to use PyTube. Okay, so we will use PyTube library. So to install this library, you need to use this command. Pip install PyTube. Yes, you need to install the PyTube using this command. This is the installation, but I already installed it. I will show you after this. Installation. Okay. So you take this command, pip install PyTube. You go to your CLI. This CLI, by the way, you can open it from your, if we minimize this, remove it here. Okay, if you come to your directory, you just type in cmd. So this one will open the cmd in the directory here. Then you just type pip install PyTube. Okay, this one I already installed, so you can see here all the requirements already satisfied. But for your case, if you haven't installed, it might take some time to be installed. Okay. Okay, so let's keep it aside until it's finished. Then we go to develop our code. Okay, so you need to install this as we said before. So this is the instruction for you to install. So now we just need to import it. So we import the PyTube. From PyTube import YouTube. YouTube, be careful here, should be capital Y, U, and capital T. Should be in this order. Okay? Import YouTube. So from here, we already declare or import the libraries we are using. Okay? So now we need to declare an object or variable that hold the link, okay, to the YouTube video first. Let's call it video link equal to YouTube. We use the same one with capital Y, capital T, be careful. Okay, then in two brackets with two double quotation, then we put the link to the video to be downloaded. Okay, so now let's go and find a video to be downloaded and make our experiments on. Okay, so here we are in my channel. I will choose some videos to use it for our testing. I'll try to choose different length videos so we can see the effects of downloading. Maybe I will find a lengthy, maybe this one. Yeah, I will click and copy the link address, or we can open it, open the new, then we copy the link of the video. Okay, copy the link address, then we paste it in our code. Okay, I'll take few. Okay, guys, so we can see here I already copied 3 from my videos for our testing. So here we will paste the link to be downloaded. Let's start with the first one. We just copy the link for any video on YouTube you would like to download it. You just paste it here. Okay, this is the first step. So now there are some functions we can use it to retrieve different information regarding the videos on that channel. For example, we can use video link. So it's capital video link dot title to display or retrieve the title, of that video. Okay, so we can print it out. So let's comment it so we know what we are doing actually. So first we declare the video link, or sometimes they call it URL, to be downloaded. Now to retrieve or to return the video title, we use this instruction. So we can print it out to see the video, this title. We can say print video title. Okay, and for me, usually I would like to print at the end, like done, or yeah, or finished. This one just to see that okay, all our code has been successfully executed. Okay, so now I will save it, and then I will run it by using Python YouTube downloader. And as we can see here, this one already satisfied. There's a warning that my PIP version is old. They asked me to upgrade it, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm running this now, and here we go. You see now, here it's written the title of the video, okay, which is indeed Python and dlp based virtual makeup lipstick part 1. Okay, this is the title, but from here we can add some or concatenate some string to explain what is this data for. We can say like this is the video title. This is just to put some information of what is this, because later we will add on more. It will be too messy and we don't know which one is which. Okay, so video title is this. If we save now, then we run again. Yes, you can see here video title is, and I guess we need to add some space, maybe like this. Yep. Let's save. Run again. Yeah, video title is this. This is the video title. Okay, good. So now if we want to return the, let's say, the thumbnail or the picture of the video, we can use video link dot thumbnail underscore URL. Okay, this function will return as the video thumbnail. Okay, we can again print it out, print this, but let's add a comment also so we can arrange our code to return the video thumbnail image. Okay, but the thing is here, this image will not return as an image, but it will return as a URL, as we will see here. So let's add some, concatenate some message to the user here. We can say video thumbnail image is this. Okay, so let's save it. We open our command line and run. And we can see here the second one is the video thumbnail. They give you the link. Okay, so if we copy this link, okay, we take this and copy it, then we go and paste it in any browser. We should see the picture of the thumbnail. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, here we are in the one again, then we just paste our, here we go. Okay, so we paste our URL in the browser, then hit enter so we can see our thumbnail. Okay, this is the thumbnail. Okay, so we can go back to the code. Okay, so here we already saw how to retrieve. Later we will learn how to display this thumbnail using OpenCV library. It's very useful. Okay, but let's learn another thing, which is how to retrieve the author. Actually, there are a lot of functions to be learned. You can go to the, you can Google or search about the ByteTube. There's a lot of functions, but this is the most important one. So here, let's, sorry, to return the author. Of the video. Okay, to return the author of the video, we use the video link author. Yeah. Okay. So now let's concatenate and print it. Print video author is this plus. Okay, so save it and run again. Okay, so let's run. There we go. So here we'll give you the title, thumbnail, and here is the author, which is my YouTube. Okay, so there are some functions that are useful to us. There are some more functions like give you the views, number of views, give you number of the duration. Okay, there are many these functions. They can different information, but for For us, this is important because later in the next tutorials, we will develop full, complete software that can the user can enter any link, then we can choose the resolution, whether a video or MP3, then we can click download. So I can see this is the most important parameter that we need. Okay. Now the other thing we have to take care is the streams. Okay. Here now we have to take care of the return the available streams for this video. Okay, so what I mean by streams, if we go to our website again, okay, if we go to any video, let's say, okay, let's go for this one, open new tab. Okay, if we open this video, okay, so if you go to here, okay, these are the streams. Okay, these are what they call quality. These are the streams. There are different streams. Okay, so we can retrieve this. We can see how many streams is available for this video. So later on, when we see the streams, we can choose which resolution we want, then we can download. Okay, so we will work on this now. So let's go to our code again. So to return the stream, okay, we can use the video link dot stream global. Okay, this one will returns all the streams. Okay, again we need to print them. Print this. We will concatenate some available streams are here. Okay. Okay, so let's see the streams for this video. We got an error. Okay, line 25 is the one we added just now. They say this one cannot return as a string. Okay, because I believe is a what they call list. Yes, it's a list. So we need to convert this into string. Okay, I believe this one should be happy now. Yes, here we go. So if you can see now, these are the string. The available strings are, so there are 3 GB with all this information, MB4, MB4A, all these are, but let's tidy up. Here we can see 720. I'm sure there's 1080 somewhere here. Okay, but let's tidy up here. Instead of we print the string, the full list like this, we can look through and we display one by one on different lines. Okay, to be more organized. So this is the old method, the first method, sorry, and the second method will be let's organize the streams display. Okay, so to organize the streams display, we need to make a for loop for each stream in the video link dot stream. Streams, yes. Okay, for each stream I will loop through them here and then I will print the stream. Yep. Okay, so I will loop through them, then I'll bring each stream in the new line. So save it and run again. Okay, yes, beautiful. So you can see here, this is the video start from here. This is our code. So here is the title, thumbnail, author, available stream. This is very messy because there's a list. And here is the organized one. So you can see the first stream is 3 GB with this resolution, MB4 360, MB4 740, 1080, and all the others. And here we can see some audio, I believe. Okay, so this is more tidy and more readable compared to the previous one. Okay, so after we get the streams, so now we can go ahead and start to download our video. Okay, how to download the video? So here, let's add a comment. Start to download the video. Okay, to start to download the video, because just now we already saw or display all the streams available for that specific video, but we haven't chosen any one of them. So we can directly, while we are downloading or during the downloading code, we can specify which one we want. Okay, so we can start to use video link dot stream dot get underscore highest underscore resolution. Okay, so here we choose the highest resolution first. Okay, as we saw just now. Then we just video link to download. But before that, let's go and download directly without choosing any resolution. Okay, we will download. By the way, download need 2 brackets. Okay, let's download without this. By the way, when we download these, when we just click, we just type in download, it will download on the same directory of the code. Okay, so let's run. Here we go, has no attribute download. Okay. Oh, sorry, my best. Yeah, sorry, is my phone. YouTube has no attribute. Sorry, we cannot do like this. We need to declare. Yeah, we need to declare an object. Okay, declare an object. I believe this one we need it. Yes, we need to declare an object. So let's call it downloaded video. Yes, we need it like this. So the download video, we choose the stream, then the downloaded video dot download. So downloaded video, yes, should be like this, I believe. Okay, let's run it. Okay, yes, I believe it's downloading now. Let's go to our yes, you can see here it starts to be downloaded. Okay, it starts to be downloaded now, and it might take some time to be finished. Let's wait for it. Okay, Yes, finished. Okay, so finish, and here we go. We can see here it's finished already. If we open it, okay, here we go. This is the virtual maker. Okay, good. Okay, so now we already managed to download our code, okay, by using this instruction. Now we download the highest, as you can see here, we download the highest, we got the highest resolution, okay, or we can change to download, for example, the first resolution in our stream, the first resolution. Let's say from here, the first one is 3 GB. So we can change this, the streams, to be the first. Okay, so video, the streams will be only first. Okay, then we download. Let's delete the one, so we will not overwrite. Let's delete this one. Okay. So yeah, and this one, let's save it. Let's run it again. Okay, so hopefully we can see here it won't take time to be finished because we are downloading the first one, which is the 3G. Here we go. See, it's very fast because we are downloading only the 3G one. If you see here, it's only 18 megabytes and is a 3 GB file. Okay, you can see the resolution is too low now.
The largest here is X1, Y1.
Okay, so this is the two methods, whether you choose the best or the first. First, always it will be the lowest resolution. The best will be the highest. Not the highest, actually, the second highest is 720, not 1080. So now we can be more specific by filter out the streams using the tag or the I tag, which is here, the I tag number. We can choose this I tag number to filter out or to be specific which video stream we want to download. Okay, so to use the I tag number, let's choose here again. Okay, so instead of we use the first, we can use the video.stream.get by get underscore by underscore I tag. This one will be filtering out the streams. Okay, so from here, which stream, let's say which streams I want. Let's say I want the not the 3G, I want the MB4 360, so the I tag will be 18. So here will be 18 here, 180. Okay, so we save it, then we run. So now we should see the 18, the 360 resolution should be downloaded. So let's delete this. Okay. And now, okay, we are ready to download. YouTube has no attribute I tag. Why? Video. Oh, sorry. Yes, correct. We delete the streams. Video.streams.itag. because this one actually is from the streams. It's just a link. I mean, it just like it goes some sequence. We should access the video. From the video, we get the stream. From the streams, we filter out using the tag. Yes, my bad. Sorry. And here we go. So now I believe it's downloading the 361. This one, the one we specified just now, the 360p, which is the 18. I take 18. Okay, let's give it some time until we can see the finished. But this one, again, you can see here, we don't know what is the progress of the downloading. Is very irritating, and we don't know what it's doing now. So later I'll teach you how to do the progress bar so we can see the progress of the downloading. Okay. But if we go to the place, we can see, yes, it started to download. Okay, but hasn't finished yet. Okay. Okay, done. Beautiful. Okay, so this is our video. Okay, this is the lowest resolution we can get. Lipstick is okay. So let's before we go to the other methods or to the higher resolution downloads, it's better to use the progress bar maybe later. Yeah, but now I want to teach you guys how to use the OpenCV to display the thumbnail instead of we just use it here. Let's delete this. Let's comment this. We don't need the streams anymore. It's really not organized. So we comment this. Go to save. So now clear. Oh, sorry. I forgot. I mixed with the MATLAB. Never mind. So we go to. Okay. Oh, it's download again. No problem. Okay. So we can see here. This is the one. This is the streams, and this is the one we will work on. We don't want to see the URL only. We want to display it on the here locally. So how to do this? Let's waiting for it to be finished. Here we go. It's done. So let's go to the place to delete this. We don't want it to overwrite again and again. So now let's stop the downloading for now because we work with something else now. Just do download. Okay. How to display the thumbnail. So first of all, we need to declare, let's do here, to display the video thumbnail. Okay. Okay. So to display the video thumbnail, we need to grab the image URL. I'll call it image URL equal to the video.thumbprint. Remember just now? Yes. Okay. So this is the URL of the image that we will work on. So we need to access this URL and grab the image data from it. So we need to use the URL open. We have to open it first. So to open it, we need another library. We need to import another library. This is the first library we'll use, or the second library. We call it URL lib.request because we have to request to access the URL and retrieve the image from there. So from URL lit dot request import URL open. Okay, this URL open, we use it to open the URL and access it or make a copy of it. Okay, so we open the URL, then we type here request equal to URL open. Okay, now we want to open the URL. Which URL actually is the image URL here? Okay, we request to access this. Okay, and now after we access it, we need to convert this, because it will return to us in an array of a different type. So we need to convert it in the inside integer 8. So we need to use here for the conversation, it's better to use the numpy. Okay, so therefore we have to declare the numpy. So or import numpy library. This is a specialist library for mathematical operation as NP. Okay, so we need to use this to do the conversation or the array conversation, because as you know, the image consists of array of pixels, different colors for each channel, because this is an RGB image, so go 3 channels. Each of the 3 channels got different pixels value for the picture. Okay, so we can say here the image, okay, or the video image, okay, the video image is equal to numpy dot as array. You see here we convert it into array, open bracket. Okay, we convert to byte array, open another bracket. Now which array we want? We want the array that we stored just now in the request. So request, okay, dot read. Okay, so read it from there. We close this also, and here we come to the type, the data type equal to unsigned integer 8. Okay, and here we need to close the bracket, the last part. Yes, so here we convert already into unsigned integer, and now we need to decode it. Here we already convert into an array, as we say, with the unsigned integer. Now we need to decode into a final image. Oh, here is we just call it an image, and here is the video image, video img. So to decode it into a final image, here we come to the OpenCV decode and show the final this image. So we need to use the OpenCV here. So we need to import CV2. Okay. So after we import the CV2, so we need to continue with our code. Okay. So we need to use the CV2 dot image decode. We decode which image? The one we convert into array just now. we decode it as a colored image. So im read underscore color. Okay, so until now we already finished our conversation, decoding and everything. Now we can display it. So we can use cv2.imshow. Okay, imshow, and here need the Windows title. We can say this is the video thumbnail, and then display the video image. Okay, but now if we keep it like this, it will just show it very fast, then it will be disappear. So we need to wait for a while, or wait, actually not for a while, wait for it, but we use the wait key of 0, which is infinite wait. So cv2.wait key, wait for a key, then we're gonna wait forever. Beautiful. So I believe this is it. So let's save and cross finger, and we run it. Oops. Has no attribute wait key. Why? It should be okay. How come there's no model CV2 to CV2? It already displayed the picture, if you can see. Here we go. Display, then it will go because of the wait key. Okay, so let's go again. CV2, this one okay. I guess key should be capital. I believe K should be capital, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, no problem. I believe yes, K should be capital. Yeah, here we go. Okay, you see now, no need to wait or we go there and copy paste the template. We can display the one here directly. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, with this title, Python dlp makeup. So let's change to another one. And here, by the way, you see the software or the program still waiting for you to do something because waiting for key. Which key is mean you have to close this. Then there we go, finish. Okay, so now let's change to the other one. So just now we go for the makeup part. Now we change to the second one, save, and let's run. Oops, it's still the same. I guess I did something wrong. Copy, paste, save. So this is the second one. Okay, yeah, so this is another one. Yep, here we go. Okay, so we can see here, this is the other one. What is the embedded system and Arduino platform? Okay, so this is the other one, and we can use the rest as well. The third one, any video now, you can display the thumbprint and also retrieve all the other related this information. But now, it's not practical actually to keep pasting inside the software. So if better, we change this to command line interface. From here to ask the user to paste which command you want. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's do this. So from here, we don't need to declare the link directly. Okay, so this one, let's comment it. And we come here. This one is to using command line interface to let the user enter the video URL on the go. Okay, how we do this? We declare the URL equal to input and ask the user to enter the video URL or link, whatever, anything should be okay. And then the URL will be our new video link. So the video link, the one we declare here, this video link, instead of we use this directly, paste the link here, we can use this YouTube. Then we put the URL here. Yes. Okay. So if we copy this now, because later we're going to use it, we save it, we open this. So now, you see that the software will ask us enter the URL. We just paste it. Okay, so this is the URL, I believe, I don't know, second or third one. So we enter here. This, here we go. This is the third one. I mean the other one. Okay. So the video URL, this is the title, I2C bus communication, and this is the stream, etc. And this is them. Okay, beautiful. So now no need to keep changing the links inside the code. We just ask the user to enter the this URL. Okay, so I don't want to make the video too long. So let's wrap up everything, and we can. Let's go with the progress bar. The progress bar, so we can finalize our video. We can see everything now clear. This is the first part. The second part will be even more interesting. We try to use some GUI. Okay, so for progress bar, we are going to use a spinner progress bar. So we need to declare again. We need to import the spinner. So from progress.spinner import mon-spinner. Okay, so we import this library. Okay, again, this library, I mean, any package of this you need to install is where there's a lot of tutorials online to show you how to install them. If you have any difficulty, please let me know. I'll try to help you out. Okay, so we need to declare this, and then we need to do something actually for. Let's add the progress bar. So the progress bar. Let's come here. Progress bar declaration. Okay. So the spinner, or we call it the prog bar, equal to moon spinner. Okay, this is the declaration. Then after we declare it, we need to start it by using the next instruction. So progress bar dot next, and then we need to finish it after it's finished. So progress bar dot finish. Finish. Okay, so now although we declare this now, and let's enable the download. Okay, we save it. Now we can see it won't really show us. Okay, URL. No, we need the URL. Take the other one. Okay, that's. Okay, so it starts to download now. If we go to check, yes, here we go, it is downloading. Okay, so although it's downloading now, but it doesn't show any progress. Okay, here we go. It displayed the one. It's been already finished. But the issue is it doesn't show any progress on the command line. There's no progress. Why? Because we didn't tell the video that we are going to use a progress. I mean, we didn't tell the YouTube, because this YouTube library, when it starts to download, it will just like stop at this instruction, or like keep doing this instruction, keep executing this until the video is fully downloaded, then it will go to the next one. So instead, to make it like release the instruction, so we have to go here, where's the URL, and we add this one. Okay, we tell it on progress underscore callbacks. Okay, this on progress callback, it will release the download to do some extra things, which is the progress file, and go back to the download, or make the download running in the background. Okay, equal to on underscore progress. Okay, that's good. So yeah, we need to add on this. Let's save it and we run again, and also we shouldn't forget to delete this, so we will see the. Okay, so we save already. Let's try and run. URL, okay, URL. Do we still have this? URL is here. It's not defined. On progress not defined. Why on progress not defined? On progress. Where is doing for something? Okay. On underscore PRO progress. And progress equal to on progress. Okay, this one should be fine. Yes. Sorry, my mistake again. We need to declare another library. It's called on progress, which is from yt dot command line instruction import on progress. Yes, we need this one also. So now hopefully should be okay. Should be happy now. Yes, here we go. We can see now the progress. 51, 77. Yes, finish, beautiful. Okay, so you can see now the progress is working. And finish, why is finish here? Let's add some print. Just print line. Just print, should be print line already. Now let's take the first one. Okay, very good. URL, enter. There we go. It will take the string display, then boom, it will start to download. Okay. Okay, so that's good. With that, I believe we can see that we have done some quite good job. Okay, we already learned how to download different videos. Okay, and also we have learned how to use the command line to enter the different URLs. No need to change inside the code. And also we learn how to display the thumbnail inside the locally, no need online. I'm not to use the URL anymore. And maybe later in the future we see how to save this, save the one. Okay, But now, how if we want to save, because all our saving now, if you can see, all our saving is in video. How if we want to save MP3? Okay, if you go back to the code, you see the streams. All the streams, they are videos. Okay, or video. How to change to MP3? Okay, for the MP3 again, we need another library. Okay. Okay, so let's work with the MP3 now. Let's edit where. Let's stop the download now. Let's add here. To download the MP3. Okay. So for the MP3, we need a new library called Buffy. Okay, so we need to download another library we call Buffy, then we import it. This Buffy will help us to convert or we retrieve only the MP3. Okay, so what declare is here. So now we need the MP3. What we call it? MP3 URL equal to Buffy dot new. Then we need a URL here. URL, we will take the same link from here. URL, yes. So the same link, we will use it here. Okay. And then we can get the best MP3 or best audio available. So we can say MP3 equal to MP3 URL dot get best audio. Okay, just like here we select the stream, just what we did just now by selecting the stream. Here we get the best audio, and after we got the best audio, then we download it. Okay, so we start to download, so we call it MP3. Let's actually download without any MP3.download. That's all. So save it and run again. I believe it will ask for, yes, for link. Let's take the middle one. Here we go. This is the one. Still the same author, same string. Okay, so if we go now to our, yes, you can see it is downloading now. But I believe we need to specify to be better and to be more precise. You can see here, this is the progress for the MP3. Okay. Okay, so here we need to, it's better to declare the title and the extension of the file. So we, or the MP3 file. So we use the F to format the title. We use the curly bracket. Then we use the MP3 URL dot title. Okay, here then we concatenate with mp3. Okay, so we use this one, so we save it, then we try again. Before we try, let's clean our, where is the one? Let's clean, so this is all our old downloading. So okay, we save, then let's run again. It should ask us for URL. This is the URL, and here we go. So Challenger, I2C bus, correct, all correct. The streams are here, and now we should start to retrieve the audio. Okay, looks okay. This one is quite long video. I believe is almost 1 hour video, so might take some time. So I'll try to fast forward this later, and I'll show you when it's been finished. Okay guys, so now we can see it's almost finished. Okay, like few seconds and should be done. Here we go. Okay, so it's done already. So let's go and check the downloaded mp3. Here we go, it's here. If we check the properties, and should be its mp3 file, beautiful, and we open it, double check, and yes, 2 days. That will go. Okay. So it's full mp3, so nice. So here we reached the end of our tutorial. Just to wrap up very fast, we need some libraries that are very important in our work. You can download it easy, just pip install at the name of the library. Okay, then first of all we start to do we change the code, we change the URL inside the code. Then we learn how to use the input from the CLI or the command line interface, so the user can directly easily enter it during the run, no need to change the code. And also we learn how to retrieve the title, thumbnail, and also the author of the link. And also here we learn how to display the thumbnail into the locally, don't need online. And also we learn how to download the video, play with the streams, okay, and also how to add a progress bar, and we finish with the mp3. Okay, so we have finished with tutorial of today. So hopefully you have learned something. Please, if you have any comment or any issue, let me know. I'll try my best to reply to all of you. I'm sorry for the late also. And yeah, this is the first part. So the next part will be more interesting, as we will work with the GUI. We'll make this as a complete software with a GUI, where the user will just open the GUI, paste the link, choose the resolution, then hit download. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have learned something, and see you next time. Bye-bye.